Welcome to this short yoga flow to elevate your mood. Now, this practice can be taken anytime and anywhere. When you're ready, we're going to come through to a child's pose. You might keep the knees in line with the hips or maybe going a little bit wider, feet beginning to come together. We'll begin to melt the torso down, coming onto the forearms. Maybe we take the arms a little bit further out. As you begin to arrive, hands can stay where they are, or maybe we take a prayer. Prayer to the back of the head, elbows in contact with the earth, and taking 2 rounds of breath here. Beautiful. Begin to take the hands back down towards the earth if we've taken our prayer. And we'll take a gentle side stretch. As we inhale, lifting the gaze, lifting the torso, taking the hands over towards your right. As I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror. As we take the hands over, we'll begin to gently release. Inhaling, lifting, walking the hands through your center over towards the left-hand side, melting down. Beginning to come back through center. We're going to begin to come through to a tabletop position, shifting the weight into our hands, knees coming underneath the hips. We'll take a little bit of a circle spiral. Ensuring you pause and go in the opposite direction. Beautiful. We're going to begin to walk our hands towards the thighs and the knees, coming to standing on the knees just for a moment. As we arrive, hands coming onto the hips, we're going to begin to bring our left leg forward. So we're coming into a low lunge, shoulders casually over. Maybe take a little bit of a wider stance. Hands can stay on hips. Maybe we take it to the thigh, or maybe we simply begin to release. We're just going to take a little bit of a gentle pulse. So imagine that left knee overshooting. We'll begin to find some stillness, releasing that right hand down towards the earth, left hand to the thigh. I'll begin to take a gentle twist. Left hand beginning to come down towards the earth. We're going to begin to take a sprinter's lunge, tapping that left foot. Maybe we begin to come onto the heel. And it's again that gentle pulse of going back and forth, gliding. We'll begin to let that left foot settle. Left hand coming onto the inside. We're going to come into a base lizard. As we begin to arrive, we can stay here. Maybe we begin to tuck the right toe, lifting that right knee. So beginning to lift, coming into a lizard lunge. From our lizard lunge, we'll come through to our downward dog, sliding, stepping that left foot all the way back, downward dog. Gently releasing the knees back down towards the earth. As we do so, we'll begin to walk the hands towards the thighs, coming back through to that kneeling. From here, hands on the hips, we can take our right leg forward. So again, hands can stay on hips, thighs, maybe by our side. Just finding that wobble. Right foot coming to stillness. Left hand beginning to release. We'll take our twist. Staying here again, the right hand might begin to lift. Sweeping the right hand down towards the earth, tapping that right toe, maybe coming onto the heel. Right foot coming back, bending that right knee. Right hand coming onto the inside, that base lizard. And again, we can stay right here, beginning to explore the lizard lunge, tucking the back toe, lifting that left knee. We'll eventually from our lizard lunge coming through to that downward dog, right leg going back. We're going to begin to explore a crossing of the legs. So as we come through to this downward dog, shifting the weight to that right foot, lifting the left heel, we'll begin to take our left foot behind the right Achilles. Maybe we take it over, heavily bending that right knee. So still in that downward dog-esque, just taking a different variant. We'll begin to come back through to our downward dog, shifting the weight into that left foot as we lift the right heel. Again, maybe we cross the ankles. Maybe we heavily bend that left knee as that right foot goes to the side. Coming back through downward dog, releasing the knees down towards the earth, untucking the toes. Coming back through to your child's pose. As we begin to melt down, hands again can stay in front. Maybe we take that reverse prayer. Releasing the hands down, we'll begin to come through to a kneeling position, sitting on the heels. Hands coming to the heart. We'll begin to bow the head down in gratitude for investing in your well-being in your practice. And thank you for taking this very short yoga flow to help elevate your mood for your day. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you again soon.